Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is population pyramid. Population pyramid. The sex age structure of a population is typically represented by a population pyramid, which provides a demographic statement of the current age and sex distribution of a population of a country. A population pyramid, also called an age pyramid or age picture, is a graphical illustration that shows the distribution of various age groups in a population, typically that of a country or region of a world, which form the shape of a pyramid when the population is growing. So it is called population pyramid. This tool can be used to visualize sex and age composition of a particular population. It is also used in the ecology to determine the overall age distribution of a population, an indication of the reproductive capability and likelihood of the continuation of a species. Population pyramid often contain continuous stacked histogram bar. The population size is depicted on the x-axis horizontal and the age groups on the y-axis vertical. Males are conventionally shown on the left and the female on the right, and they may be measured by raw number or as a percentage of the total population. This is the population pyramid of Pakistan in 2010. You can see male on the left and female on the right. The children are on the below and the aged people are on the tops. This is age distribution 0 to 4 year, 5 to 9 and 10 to 14 year. And this is the population in million 246. So this is the shape of a population. In this number of children are more at the base and the number of aged person are less at the top. So this is the population pyramid of a developing country like Pakistan. This is a population pyramid of a developed country like Japan in 2010. You can see male and female distribution and the population age group. In this you can see the number of births are less, the baby are less, and the middle age and old age population are more, because in the developed country birth rate are controlled by family planning methods and the number of newborn are less than the number of deaths. So the pyramid is expanding and the old age and middle age people are more in the developed country. Now I discuss the shapes of the population or types of the population. The number one is stationary pyramid. A stationary pyramid can be described as stationary if the percentage of population, age and sex remain constant over time. Stationary population is when population contain equal birth rate and equal death rate. So the number of births and deaths are equal. The population remain stationary over a large number of time in that country. Expansive pyramid. A population pyramid that is very wide at the younger age, characteristics of countries with high birth rate and low life expectancy. The population is said to be fast growing and the size of each birth cohort gets larger than the size of the previous year. So this is the expansive pyramid. The number three is constrictive pyramid. A population pyramid that is narrowed at the bottom. The population is generally older on the average. As the country has long life expectancy, a low death rate, but also a low birth rate. However, the percentage of younger population are extremely low. This can cause issues with the dependency ratio of the population. So, so this is the other type of the pyramid. This pyramid is more common when immigrants are factored out. This is a typical pattern for a very developed country, a high level of education, easy access to an incentive to use birth control, good health care, and few negative environmental factors. These can be shown as this. The number one is expensive. You can see base is broad and apex is narrow. The every birth cohort is more than the previous. So in this, number of births are more than the number of deaths. Children are more. This is the consecutive in which the at the middle young people are less, births are more and the deaths are more. So this is the consecutive pyramid. The number is stationary. Third is stationary, in which births and deaths are equal. So the population of a long period remain stationary. So this is the stationary pyramid. So you can understand by this diagram. This is another diagram showing three patterns of population change. The number one, in which rapid growth, you can see base is broad and apex is narrow like Kenya. Number of children and number of births are more than the number of deaths. The number two, slow growth, in which births are there and the deaths are also controlled. So this is the population is slow growing. And number is negative, three is negative growth, Germany, in which the number of births are more less than the number of deaths. So the population is decreasing, and this is called a negative growth. So the overall population of a country will decrease every year than the previous. Thank you very much. This is the lecture on population pyramid. Allah Hafiz.